Today I would like to show you how to unpack Dr. Stim wireless Tens unit device. It's an amazing device. A lot of people have been giving us a lot of calls and a lot of orders on this device. The jacket of the box slides out. The device comes with a catalog, 2 different gel pads. In case one runs out, you can use the other. The actual smart device, and it should say Dr. Stim on it, so it's not an imitation. This device is chargeable through a USB wire. It does come with a USB wire, and it comes with the plug into the wall for the USB wire. It's an amazing product. You don't have to worry about 9-volt batteries. Find it at the App Store, search for Dr. without putting a space, Stim. You should already see it. Just click on it. Click on to download. Perfect. And once you open it, it tells you, would you like to add a device? You add the device and you click on the product in the center button. And now it's recognizing which device it is. You click on the device and now you're there. You can choose neck pain. You can choose pain in the shoulder, pain in the wrist, pain in the arms, pain in the back, or pain in the legs. Let's suppose we're doing pain in the neck. It tells you where to place it. Dr. Stim is very easy to use. All you have to do is click this on, the smart device of Dr. Stim, to the gel pad, to the advanced gel pad that's made specifically for this Tens unit. You take the Tens unit off the pad, off the plastic, and apply it to whichever region you want to do the therapy to. And now you're able to, if you like to see the treatment, the pain in the arm. And now because I have it on my elbow, you start the treatment. You decide how much time you want to spend on it and what type of strokes you want to be on the actual stim. I'm going to use this one. I'm using 20 minutes. And after you press start, you're able to increase the intensity on the power. Now we're on 3 and I already feel it. 4, you feel it some more. 6, and now I'm feeling a nice contraction and therapy on the massage part of my arm. When you're done with the therapy or when the time is up, you hit stop. And then it stops. You exit out of it. You press the button here and it's already gone. You remove the product, and so you don't lose the stickiness of the gel, you want to place the gel right back onto the plastic piece that it came with. You place this back in the box for your use next time. It's one of the most convenient devices to be able to be used at home. And I wish you a lot of pain-free days with Dr. Stim on your side.